Hi everyone, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages, and I teach conversational Spanish to families who love people, culture, and travel. And this week I am going over a phrase that means I want and I don't want. These phrases are included in the Spanish course that I'm writing, and so they're geared towards beginner Spanish learners. So in this case, we will be saying I want water, or I don't want water, and I want milk, or I don't want milk. Ready? So I want is quiero. Quiero. I want. Quiero. So quiero agua is I want water. Most of you know how to say water in Spanish. Agua. Agua. So remember that the vowels in Spanish are short and a little bit different than the English short vowels even. So it's A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And so, quiero. I'll go over the R in a minute. Quiero. Quiero. So not quiero. Don't elongate the O. Quiero. Quiero. And so the R. The R, I have a whole video about this. If you search here in the channel, here in my YouTube channel, there is a video teaching you how to pronounce the R and the double R. And so the single R, like this one, it is the same sound that you already make when you pronounce the D in the middle of a word or the T, right? Yeah. So if you say, like the T, if you say otter, and otter like the animal, otter, how you pronounce the T, like that, otter, that's the same sound. That's what you do. That's what you're supposed to do with your tongue for the one R that is in the middle of a word. So, quiero. So if you have to picture a T or a D, quiero, quiero. So, I want water, quiero agua. Por favor. I would like some water, please. Quiero agua, por favor. Even with water, the T in water, water. The T, not the R, water. So, quiero. Quiero agua, por favor. Quiero agua. Now let's say I don't want milk. No quiero leche. No quiero leche. Gracias. I don't want milk, thanks. No quiero leche. Gracias. Yeah, make sure you add the gracias because you want to be polite. No quiero leche. Gracias. No quiero. I don't want. No quiero leche. Remember the short E, leche. No quiero leche. No quiero leche, gracias. So, I want, quiero. I don't want, no quiero. Got it? Easy enough. All right, make sure and practice these phrases, and I will be back next week with another phrase or phrases. All right, have a good week. Bye.